Hello everyone. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Sai.
Good evening
Good
everyone.
evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening all. Shall we start our class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in our yesterday's class, we have discussed some topics in Jenkins, right? Like how to create Maven projects, how to build, how the WAR file gets created, how to troubleshooting that Maven projects. Okay, and schedule projects also we have seen, right? In that one is build periodically and another one is source code polling, SCM, whole SCM, right? Those we have seen in our yesterday's class. Yeah, so in today's class, we are going to discuss other topics of Jenkins. The first one that we are going to start with is related projects or linked projects. Related or linked projects. Related or linked. You can use any of these words. In this topic, related or linked projects, we have total two concepts are there. One is downstream. Another one is upstream. So here we have two types of projects are there. One is downstream project and one is upstream project. Okay, downstream project, upstream project. Okay, fine. So let's talk about these two projects. See, linked projects by name itself we can understand. Here what we do, we link jobs. Okay, we link. For example, see, I have some 4 jobs or any number of jobs. We are going to link all these jobs like, A, B, C, D. We are going to link all these jobs. If you trigger this first job, if you trigger the build of this first job, then the first job will trigger second job automatically. Second job will trigger third job will trigger fourth job, like that. It's kind of chain reaction. Okay, chain reaction. Okay, so you have to build first one, only one job. It will build second job, second will trigger third will trigger fourth, like that. It's a kind of chain reaction. That is what related or linked projects. So related projects will link like this. Okay, that is how it works. So here there are two types of linking. The first one is downstream, second one is upstream. First, let's talk about downstream. Let me take two projects. Let me first log into my Jenkins. Localhost 8080 admin. Okay. So here let me create one new job. See, first I'm going to create a new job. Any name. Okay, I'll give Sai job. Sai job. I'll create one new job. Let me do it. Any normal random job. Sai job is there. You can create new job or you can copy settings from existing job. I'll copy settings from first job. You can copy settings, right, that already we discussed. Apply and set. That's it. So see here I have created one job. That's a new job, Sai job. I need one more job, right? Yeah, let's take existing job. Maven job is right. Let me take existing job. Maven job. Maven job. Observe carefully. If you go inside Maven job, the last build that occurred yesterday, right? 18th December, yesterday, right? Today date is 19th. So last build occurred 18th, yesterday. Just remember that. Okay. So two jobs are there. One is Sai job and one is Maven job. Now what I'll do, I'm going to link these two jobs. I'm going to link. So how I'm going to link? Maven job name, I'm going to give in SciJob. Here, I'll give Maven job name. Okay. Maven job name, I'll give in SciJob. Got it? Okay. So what I'll do, so assume that it's me. I'm going to trigger SciJob. Okay, I'm going to trigger SciJob. Once it is done, it will trigger automatically Maven job. Okay, that is how we are linking. So see, I am triggering SciJob. SciJob will trigger Maven job automatically. Like that, you can link any number of. Suppose you have one more job, job A, that name you give here. So both will be connected. If you trigger this job, it will trigger this one, it will trigger this one. Because see, it knows, right? Here we have given Maven job. That means SciJob knows that once it is over, it should trigger Maven job. Maven job knows that once it is over, it should trigger it. Like that, you can link any number of jobs. Okay, that is what we call downstream. Okay, downstream. This way of linking, we call downstream. You might be thinking, Sai, where do we use this one in real-time projects? Yes, here we are going to create multiple jobs like pulling code from GitHub, source code pulling, then build, test, QA, deploy. We link all those jobs. Once it pulls code, automatically build should be triggered, automatically test should happen, then checking quality and all, then deployment, everything should be done automatically. That's what I said in my demo class. You remember, as and when developers put the code in GitHub, Jenkins will pull that code. It will send to Maven, then testing and building. Everything happens automatically. Correct? Yeah, there we use these linking in. Okay, pipeline. We are going to use pipeline projects. There also we use this linking concept. Pipeline linking. See, pipeline means what? Pipeline project you might have heard. CI/CD pipeline. Pipe. This is one pipe, one more pipe, you are attaching one more pipe, you are attaching one more. This is what pipeline. Why are we linking all these pipes? To flow the, to continue the water flow without any stoppage, that too automatically. So linking that we do by using this topic in our projects. Okay, so there's we are going to use, that's why you should know here that how it works. Okay, yeah, let me link these two jobs. Go inside SciJob and give Maven job name. This SciJob, right? Go to configure. And here you can see, go to post build actions here, build other projects. That means once SciJob is over, it should build other projects. What is the project? Here, Maven. First give a first character, automatically that name will come. Don't worry about these options. All these we'll discuss in project clear. Here, these options don't, it won't make any sense as of now. In project, yes, there we are going to use, there you'll understand. Apply and save. That's it. So we link these two jobs, SciJob and Maven job. Now I'm going to trigger SciJob. When I trigger SciJob will automatically trigger Maven job. Let's see whether it will work or not. See, I'm going to trigger, see, SciJob, go to here, build now, correct? Build now. Done? That's it. See, automatically Maven job got triggered. See? That SciJob is pretty small, right? One simple Linux command, that Windows command. But Maven job is big one. There it will pull that source code from GitHub and all right. That's why you can see clearly. It is taking time. Got it? See, today the first build Maven job, 19 December. That is what we call downstream. Okay, that is what downstream. Then what is upstream? In just a reverse way. In a reverse way. That means, see, same. Let me take two jobs. Okay, let me create a new job. I'll create a new job, Raj job. New item. Oh yeah, Raj job. Let me copy settings from any job. I'll copy settings from second job. Apply save. That's it. I have created one new job, fresh job called Raj. Okay. Now let me take same Maven job. Why I'm taking Maven job? Because already GitHub credentials, everything we have given, right? GitHub URL and all that's okay. Maven job. Okay, here it is me. Here also I'm going to trigger Raj job. But here the linking we do in a reverse way. That means here in Maven job, we are going to give Raj job. In Maven job, that's how we are linking. In Maven job, we are going to give Raj. So how it works? Before that, let me ask one question, guys. Okay, I want you to respond. Okay. Yeah. I'm giving one pen to you. I have a pen. I'm giving that pen to you. You are taking pen from me. Okay, observe these two words, sentences. I'm giving a pen to you. You are taking pen from me. What is the difference between these two sentences? Anyone?
Both are same.
Both are same, right?
I am taking pen from you and I am giving pen to you.
No.
Same.
I am giving pen to you. You are taking pen from me. But is there any difference?
No, same.
No.
Both are same, right? Okay. Active, passive.
Yes.
Passive voice.
Okay, fine. See, yeah, there is a small, see, ultimately the output remains same. Pen is being transferred from me to you. I'm not talking about the output. Output at the end of the day, same. Ultimately, you are getting pen. But here, who is taking initiative? I am giving pen to you. That means here I am taking initiative. I am active. You are taking pen from me, means you are active there. You are taking initiative, right? That's the thing. That means, see, I am giving pen to you means here I am active, you are lazy. You are taking pen from me means you are active, I am lazy. Correct? That is the thing here. So who is taking initiative? That matters a lot. Here also, see, here I am triggering Sai job. Once Sai job is over, it is triggering Maven job. It is informing Maven job. Hey, Maven job, I finished my work. You do your job. Observe carefully, guys. I am informing to Sai job that, hey, Sai job, you do the build. Once Sai job will informing, it is informing to Maven job that, hey, Maven job, I finished my work. You start your work. So Sai job is active here. Maven job is lazy. In first case, Sai job is active. Maven job is lazy, sitting idle. Sai job is kicking Maven job. Hey, Maven job, you start your work. But in second case, Raj job is lazy. Maven job is active. Okay, Maven job, just 1 minute here. Yeah. So here, in second case, Maven job is active, Raj job is lazy. That means, see, I am triggering Raj job. I am informing to Raj job. Hey, Raj job, you finish your work. Once Raj job is over, it won't do anything. It will sit idle. But Maven job, it keep on looking at Raj job. Hey, Raj job, did you finish your work or not? Keep on looking at Raj job. Did you finish your work? If you finish, then I will start my work. See here, Maven job will keep on looking at Raj job. Hey, Raj job, did you finish it or not? Once you finish, I will start my work. That's all. So here, what we need to do? Go insert Maven job and give Raj job name. Okay. Here, go insert Maven job, configure. But here you have to select different option. That is, see, uncheck policy window not required. Here, build after other projects are built. This option. Select. That means, see, what we are saying. Hey, Maven job, you start your build when after other projects. What is other project? Raj job. That means, hey, Maven job, you keep on looking at Raj job. Once Raj job is over, then you start your own build. That's what we are saying. That means here also ultimately output remains same. See, I'm going to trigger Raj job. After that, Maven job will be triggered. Same, you can see. Build now. You can see I triggered Raj job. Now you can see Maven job will be triggered automatically. You can see. Ultimately, same output remains same, but how you are linking by using downstream or upstream. You might be thinking, Sai, only one is enough. Yeah, that's fine. Only one is enough. You remember either downstream or upstream, because in companies, we link jobs either by using downstream or upstream. That's up to us. Some people, they follow downstream. Some people, they follow upstream. But that's up to your choice. But you must know what is the difference. Okay, so in simple terms, in first case, Sai job is picking Maven job. In second case, Maven job is looking at Sai job that, hey, whether you finished or not. Once you finish, then I'll start my work. That's all. Got it? So mostly companies, we are using downstream because that's very easy, right? Linking by using downstream is pretty easy. You can see here, one more job. This job name we give, okay, this job name we give here, this job name we give here. So that like that, it's very easy comparatively. So that's why remember downstream. Remember both, okay? But yeah, you should know both because they may ask in interviews, right? You should know both. Then coming to views. In Jenkins, we can change our view. View means the way it appears, the dashboard and all. Like you can see, here you can see plus symbol. Plus symbol. Here, from here, you can create new views. See what you do. If you have hundreds of movies, you can segregate, right? Like some 300. These are Bollywood movies. 300 Tollywood movies. 300 Hollywood. So that picking particular movie is pretty easy. Suppose if you want some Bollywood, directly go to Bollywood movies folder, you pick one, movie. That is so. So here also we can segregate all these jobs by creating separate view. This is all view where you can see all jobs. So here, click here, plus symbol. Here you can give any name like, freestyle jobs. Freestyle jobs. List view. Okay. So here you choose what are the jobs which are coming under free. That's up to you. You can place one job in any number of views. You can place one job in any number of views. Okay. I would like to select the first job, Raj job, second job. I assume that these are freestyle jobs. Okay. These are freestyle jobs. Just assume. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You can see one new view got. This is all view, main view where you can see all jobs. This is freestyle jobs. Let me take one more view, like Maven jobs. This view. Okay. So here, so Maven job. Assume these are Maven jobs. You can see. So like we can create separate views. That is so that segregation would be pretty easy. That is so. All jobs you can see here, all those jobs. But here picking that job particularly easy. If you want to build Maven job, either you can build from here or in all view here. That's up to you. Okay. If you want to delete view, you can either you can click here, delete. Say delete view. Delete so that you can see Maven view got deleted. Freestyle that also you can delete if you want. Freestyle. Delete that you can delete. Like that. That's up to you. But main view you can't delete. And one more thing, you are deleting view. It doesn't mean that you are deleting jobs. No, deleting view means just view is getting deleted, but jobs remain same here. Okay, that is so. This is one more topic you must know.